Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Google Analytics to your Wix website. If you don't know what Google Analytics is, it's a web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports web traffic. So it's really cool because you can see, if you're on the analytics dashboard, you can actually see, what area someone is viewing from. So you might be based in Dallas, but you can see if someone's on your website in New York, and you can see what kind of device they're on, like if they're on a desktop, mobile phone, tablet, whatever. You can see all of this type of stuff. You can see if they come to your first page on your website and then leave, or if they click around onto more pages on your website. So you can get a lot of analytics for free with Google Analytics. So what we're going to first do is go to Google Analytics, make sure you're signed into some Google account, and then we're going to go ahead and get a code that we're going to put on our Wix site so that Google Analytics can track it. So the first thing we're going to come to is down here in the bottom left. We're going to go to admin, then we're going to do an account. We're going to do create account. We're going to call this one, from my other website, Trend Lift. Okay, and then we're going to come down to next, and we're going to do web. We're just going to do web, but you can do apps as well if you have that, which I don't. And then we're just going to go ahead and put this in here again, and go ahead and put your URL there. Category, I don't really know because this is just temporary. We're going to do shopping, and we're going to do create. Okay, we're also going to just accept. Okay, great. So now it's going to bring us to our tracking code, and we're going to go ahead and get the tracking ID right here. Next, let's go over to Wix. We're going to choose our site, so we'll do select site. Okay, and then we're going to go down to analytics and reports, and it's going to have, Wix's version of the analytics here, but we're going to go to old analytics. We're going to go to marketing tools. We're gonna go down to, where is it? We're gonna go to marketing integration, do Google Analytics, connect Google Analytics, and we're gonna paste in that tracking ID that we just got from Google, and we'll paste it in and we'll press save. And that is how you add Google Analytics to your site. And then if we ever come back here, we'll check your accounts, we'll do Trend Lift. And then here is where you will see all of your analytics. So you can see the active users, you can see which region of the world they're in, you can see what time of day they come, you can see if the bounce rate, which is if they come to one page and then leave your website, or if they go to multiple different pages. You can see how long they spent on it. You can do sources, referrals, and all that kind of stuff. So Google Analytics is very useful for certain types of businesses. It's not really needed for every type of business, but it is still something that is cool to look at occasionally. So I recommend doing it regardless of whether you feel like you need it or not. But without further ado, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did find this useful or you learned something, please press that subscribe button for more Wix Fix videos in the future. Thank you guys again, and I'll see y'all in the next one.